Google Gen AI. Everyone is talking about it, but you still don't know how to use it. So today I'm going to teach you to build a very basic chat application. So first of all, you need to go to Google Generative AI, click on Learn More, click on Documentation, get over to API Keys, click on Get an API Key, click on Create API Key. Select a project. For this one, I will select Generative Language Client and hit Create API Key. And you will get an API key. You need to download Google Generative AI and the React Loading Skeleton. I am importing Google Generative AI, use state hook, skeleton loading, define a Google Generative AI model. So instead of this, you should paste your own API key. Define model, define few hook states, the request to take your prompt content to load what the Google Generative AI generates, and loading to hit the loading states. Now, this is the final function for our handle prompt, and this will be going for the UI. Now run the chat application, hit the Take Me to AI. Now we have Google Generative AI chat. Let's say, hey, I'm Zade. Hit send, and it said, hey, Zaid, nice to meet you. What can I do for you? So let's say, teach me to cook chicken curry. Hit send. It's taking a while. Okay, so here we go. We have got a beautiful prompt from Google Generative AI. Now you might be thinking that what are these hashtags or these asterisks? So don't worry, these are just indentation, these are embeddings. So it makes the whole piece of text look beautiful. But because we haven't embedded anything yet, so it won't look that good. It looks messy right now. I know that. And you will find the GitHub code in the description as well. I will mention it in the first comment. Also, you can stay tuned because we will be doing a lot more by embedding and making this as a full stack chatbot. You can add front end, you will be adding backend databases to handle the user login, logout, sign up, and the generative AI chats. So stay tuned for the next one.